Ubaar Kharbikhiu ADC Ribhoi District, Haka South Rik Unailar, Ulaple Paidbah Eka 7-Star Expo, Nekayo DTR Detar, Nongpoh, Kabalapulong, Dakasuk Sing Tourist Guide Travel Society, Haka Jingelam, Usamla IG Kongla, Organizer, but Usamla Antonio Lapang, Vice President, Nongpoh Shopping Complex. Schwaben Plie Kinigayo, Lapulong Yakajingelang, Kabalingkon, Haka Jingedon Lang, Kakong Rona Kamden, MDC Berim, ki officer katanat pulen ki nongelam shnong ki dukot jong katay ka society bat ki Paidbah. Hakani kayo lawan de tiaru na kiway ki jala kari India. Nakani kayo 7-Star Expo layo ikimar ki mata ki babunjat kat kum ki jingdon kam jong ki nong thet na duk ki tiar bapendon kam haying asem. Kani kayo kan ne ahadu ka arpway tarik unailar.
Especially in Shillong. And those programs like the trade fair, international trade fair, Northeast trade fair were organized by the government departments from the industries department. It was not done by private parties. I guess this program is done by a private entrepreneur. So earlier such type of program was always conducted by the government of Meghalaya through the commerce and industries department. So it was a big fanfare those days in Polo Hills. So from there, participants in the trade expo were selected and then they were sponsored to present in New Delhi during the international trade fair promotion that is always held at Pragati Maidan during the month of November. They gradually, but what happened now, you can see lots of private stakeholders taking part in such program. I feel these type of programs are very good. In fact, the term expo, it means exposure. Whenever you expose, whenever you display or exhibit any products, local products, traditional products in any given place, local place, that's what exposure is. So I believe through this program, I urge upon the farmers, the agriculturists of Ribhoi district as a whole, that in such program they can take this program as a platform to showcase their various items. Ribhoi is popular for India, for any products. So I hope these type of platform will give opportunity to our local farmers to showcase their products. So I also urge the organizers of this program, the Star Expo, that whatever you see, whatever unique product that you can see through this expo conducted here in this town, you may please, I urge you to please promote our local farmers and to showcase the products in various platforms like the state or the Northeast, especially you have in Guwahati, in Judges Field or in Khanapara ground. You used to witness lots of such trade expo. So I hope that you'll continue the friendship with our local entrepreneurs here. You'll promote them in other platforms like in the Northeast or maybe in the national level. So I didn't see any officers from the district commerce industries. In fact, they are very apt to be present in this moment. Kini bandon na siya ki officer industries I invite. Nama tu kini program kay hak maha balik industries department. Kinadon kinyo menshowcase, kinyo napo department, napo government, nisiton ki program hangpa napo Shillong, napo industries department, kisilam ki entrepreneurs. Kisitan kapor pakilam beting kiju manfinam. Ke da pakilam da ki explore in various districts. You can get lots of entrepreneurs from other districts, especially Ribhoi and Jowai and sort of, you can take those local entrepreneurs, sponsor them for the trip to Delhi, trade fair and all that. So I wish this program the very best. I urge upon all the communities, the local visitors here to maintain discipline, peace and harmony. These type of trade fairs, it's just a proof that Ribhoi district is a very peaceful district where such programs can be held in a smooth way. So I wish that
yang ki kejap lajong ban seng ki kam lade ban kumno ban yo i ki tiar ki ba ki wei ki wara na ba bat kumno ban pan i Paidbah ye ki tiar ki ba nangni na po thai Ribhoi jungi ha ki fair ki ba kleng nakada kadaw ni wan ba wa i kan ka fair ka ba ki samla jungi kan ktik ye ka mensim jungki khanang ba ki la ban seng ye ki kam lade ban pan i Paidbah ye ki sap ki phong ki ba ki don.